Have you ever faced this camera problem? Are you struggling to find the reason why this is happening and this is creating a problem while animating? So the reason behind this is the near clip and the far clip. What you need to do is select here the camera, whichever camera is having that problem, not every camera. Suppose I'm having this is the camera. If I select here, this is the camera. If you see here, this is perspective. Here, perspective is fine because here I'm not having that problem. The problem is with the camera view. So I will select the camera views camera. This is going inside. Once you select your camera, go to attribute editor. There is something called near clip plane and far clip plane. At the beginning, you will see here camera attributes. Here it is near clip plane, far clip plane. Near clip is 1, far clip is 100. Now this is happening because of far clip. Why? Because when you're trying to zoom out, at that time the character is getting vanished. So I will make here, instead of 100, I will make here 1000 or 10,000. So the more numbers you have in your far clip, the more you can take your character to be in the zoom out scene. Can you see here? Till there I am able to zoom out. If I make here only 1000, then this will again vanish. See, so 1000 will have the zoom in from here. See this is the 1000 value. It will zoom out once it goes beyond 1000. So that's why it's important that you make it 10,000 itself, so that you can zoom out the way you want till this much. Same goes with near clip. Near clip is generally 0.1, so that you can have the maximum zoom in the way you want. If you are having more value in the near clip, then you will not be able to zoom in. If I say suppose have 100, then the character will vanish out while zoom in. Can you see here? So the camera character is going inside. Now it's happening reverse. So you need to check what is happening, whether it's happening while doing camera zoom in or whether it's happening while doing camera zoom out. If it is for zoom out, then you have to correct far clip plane. If it is for zoom in like this, you need to correct your near clip plane. Generally near clip plane is 0. Keep it 0.1 so that you can zoom into any of the character. 0.1, right? So you can zoom in the way you want. Can you see this? I can zoom into this level. It will not affect. So that's all for the quick tip. I hope this resolved your problem which you were trying to figure it out since so long time. If you want more tips about animation tips, tricks, tools, do follow me on all the channels and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet to get all the tools and tricks about animation. Also follow me on LinkedIn and Instagram. So see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. God bless.